System software. It is the most important software to operate a computer. The operating system is a type of system software. System software can be classified into three categories: operating system, programming software, and utilities software. System software, operating system, programming software, and utilities software. Operating system. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory, processes data, and controls all its software as well as hardware. It serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. Types of operating systems. Operating systems usually come preloaded on any computer you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer, but it is possible to upgrade or even change an operating system. The three most common operating systems for personal computers are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Other known names are iMac, Unix, and DOS. Functions of an operating system. Operating system performs three types of functions: manages computer resources, coordinates memory, processing, storage, and printers, monitors systems performance, provides security, starts up the computer, provides user interface. The interface can be character user interface, CUI, or graphical user interface, GUI. Runs applications through multitasking, foreground and background applications. Programming software. It is the software used by the computer to understand and convert the instructions by programming language into machine language. Compilers, assemblers, debuggers, interpreters, etc. are examples of programming software. Assembler. An assembler is a program used to translate assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. Compiler. A compiler is a software that converts the entire source program into machine language before executing it. It displays the errors for the whole program together. Interpreter. An interpreter is also a separate program that converts the entire source program into machine language before executing it. An interpreter translates and executes one statement at a time. It displays the errors one line at a time, and it goes to the next line only after the error is corrected. Utility software. Utility software are provided as a part of operating system. They are specifically designed to manage the computer hardware, operating system, and application software. Some of the utility software are backup utility. It is used for keeping the backup files for emergency. Windows Backup and Restore is the default Windows backup utility. Data compression program. It is used to compress a large file into a file of smaller size so that it occupies less space and is easy to store. WinZip and WinRAR are examples of these software. Disk defragmenter. The memory of a computer is divided into small blocks. The files are stored in continuous blocks of space in the hard disk. When a file is deleted from the computer, a part of that space becomes free. When a new file is saved on the computer, some part of it is saved on the first available free space in the memory. After some time, the files get stored in various fragments, which slows down the speed of the computer. The disk defragmenter organizes the fragments of files into continuous blocks to improve performance of the computer. Virus scanner. It is used to scan the computer for viruses among files and folders. It scans the disk each time you insert it into a computer or whenever the computer is booted. It is also called antivirus software. Quick Heal, Norton, etc. are examples of these software.